Hello and welcome to a summer day. Today we are solving further logarithm. So the question is solve for x log x to the base of 3 plus log 3 to the base of x is equals to 10 over 3. So now we can't solve when the base here is 3 and the base here is x. So we can do this. We can say using a law of logarithm which says that if you have log b to the base of a is the same as 1 over log a to the base of b. What we'll say here, we can change this one and say this is the same as 1 over log now 3 to the base of x plus log 3 to the base of x is equals to 10 over 3. So we have made the bases to be the same, but now this one is 1 over. Now if you check they are the same, so we can say let y be equals to log 3 to the base of x. So where there is log 3 to the base of x, we substitute with y. So we'll have 1 over y plus y is equals to 10 over 3. So we can make this one linear by multiplying by the LCM. So the LCM here is 3y, so we multiply everything by 3y. So y goes to 3y, 3. So multiply the numerator by 3. So we're going to have here 3 plus 1 goes to 3y, 3y. Multiply this by 3y, you're going to have 3y squared is equals to 3 goes to 3y. How many times goes there? Y. So multiply the numerator by y, you're going to have 10y. So this one is a quadratic equation. We can simplify it or we can rearrange it this way. So we'll have 3y squared, bring 10y this side, you're going to have negative 10y, then plus 3 is equals to 0. So we solve using factors method. We find the product and sum. So product is AC and sum is B. So AC is the coefficient of y squared, which is 3 multiplied by c. This is c. So this one is going to give you 9. Then the sum is the coefficient of y, which is negative 10. So look for two numbers that when you multiply them you get 9, and when you add them you get negative 10. So if you check keenly, that will be negative 9 and negative 1. So negative 9 times negative 1, that gives you positive 10. Negative 9 plus minus 1 is negative 10. So we substitute those two with this one here. So we just add y here and y. So where there is 10y, negative 10y, we substitute with the negative 9y and negative 1y. So we're going to have 3y squared minus 9y minus y. So then plus 3 is equals to 0. So finally we can have you factor whatever is common between these first two, which is 3y. Then you're going to remain here, 3y goes here, y, then 3y goes here, minus 3. You close that bracket, then you check what is common between these two is negative 1. You factor it out, so you're going to have y minus 3 again is equals to 0. So these two, put them under one bracket. This will be 3y minus 1 and y minus 3 is equals to 0. So it means this factor is equals to 0 or this factor is equals to 0. So we're going to have negative 3y minus 1 is equals to 0, meaning 3y will be equals to 1. So divide by 3, divide by 3. So y is 1 over 3. Or y minus 3 is equals to 0. If you take 3 the other side, you're going to have y is equals to 3. So y is equals to 1 over 3 or y is equals to 3. The question was not finding y, but the question was finding x. So if you check, we said that y is equals to log 3 over x. So we come back here and we're going to say now log 3 to base x is equals to either this one or this one. So we start with 1 over 3 when y is 1 over 3. So this is log notation. We can write this one as index notation. This is the base, this is the power, and this is the log. So we say x 1 over 3 is equals to 3. So we have changed this one from log notation to index notation. Then we want to remove this one here. So if you want to remove, you just cube both sides. If you cube both sides, this is going to cancel. Negative 1 over 3 times 3 is going to be 1. So we're going to remain with x is equals to 3 raised to 3 is 27. That is the first value of x. The second value of x is when y is 3. So come and say now log 3 to base x is equals to 3. So again, you convert this one from log notation to index notation. This will be x raised to 3 is equals to 3. So we want the value of x, we don't want x raised to 3. So we just cube root both sides, and you're going to have your x is equals to the cube root of 3, and those will be your values. So you can try this one. Evaluate log x to base 2 plus log 2 to base x is equals to 2. The answer is 2. So try this one, and please remember to subscribe. Thank you.